All right, it is Friday, March 29th, the night before the opener, and I'm going to roost one, and I have picked up a very unlikely passenger that's going turkey hunting with me in the morning. Y'all ain't gonna believe this when you see who it is.
Howdy.
Me and Dad's going turkey hunting in the morning for the first time. I'm be 38 this year. How old are you? You'll be 60 this year. Have you ever been turkey hunting?
Twice in my life.
Have you ever killed a turkey?
No. Never heard one gobble while I'm hunting.
Well, this could get pretty wild. Sawyer killed his first turkey last weekend, and that's a guessy neighbor. And Dad could kill his first one tomorrow. We at least gonna give it a college effort, so y'all stay tuned. He said he's excited, Cody. Tell Dustin thanks for that camo.
Thank you for the camo, Dustin. It's great.
There you go. You heard it from the man. Got 1 pound. Go get out of here. Good morning. Opening day of Georgia. Me and Dad didn't do a closing last night. We slipped out of there. We walked top of the mountain we're gonna be hunting on. We heard 3 birds and one of them was right in our lap, so we got out there and just shut it down and got back to the house. Got a good night's rest. I'm headed up here to pick him up now, so y'all stay tuned. This is gonna be very interesting. See what happens. So
Stay right there, stay right there.
I'm gonna put another in.
Just lean back, just lean back. Watch out there, watch out there. I can't shoot across. Right there. Oh man, stay down, stay down. Just stay down. I can't get a shot. Don't shoot that one. I think I got the other one. We might have just doubled up, man. Hold on, let me get up and go down there. Hold on, let me see. I don't know how much video I got. I don't care either. We just smashed a double. Your first turkey, our first turkey together. That worked out perfect. Oh wow. What did I tell you this morning? That trumpet was gonna get them killed.
It did. Well, they come hot and heavy, didn't it?
How exciting was that?
That was damn exciting, buddy.
Well, I thought when the gig was up. Could you not see him when he was right there?
No, I didn't see him till his head come up past. I thought
kill him, Dad. Kill him.
Well, I seen him then, but I couldn't get
just smashed his head. Oh my God. Well, one more than double. Oh my God.
That was awesome. Oh man, we came in this morning and we had came in yesterday afternoon and we roosted a gobbler down there. So we come up, we went high above them and we sat there till just about daylight. We started hearing them gobble. So Alex decided we needed to move down a little bit, and we come down and he found us a spot here that we thought we could hear them gobbling pretty close. So we set up here on the side of this hill, and Alex went to gobbling, and when they flew down, I mean, it was game on.
They came up the side of this bluff instead of, we were wanting them to come up this road, which I knew better than to think that they'd actually do that, but they came up the side of this bluff right here, and I was hitting the trumpet, and they came up there and Dad mashed one.
Yeah, they come up
Is
right.
your cheek bruised again?
No, I didn't even feel it. Couldn't even tell it.
But they came up here and I could see it. I was sitting a little higher than you, and that's why I seen it first.
Yeah.
But I seen it there, and I was like, shoot him, Dad, shoot him, Dad. And you mashed
He was going behind that pine tree.
Yeah.
And as soon as he come out behind that pine tree, I put the big kaboom on him. Oh, that was awesome. And then there were two more gobblers with it. And Alex said, lean over. So he throwed up over me.
I got fighting purring on
you
that.
got fighting purring, and here they come back up there. And Alex, he nailed his.
I seen that head
A
stick
double.
up.
My first opening day turkey. First turkey I ever killed, and it was a double with my son. That was great.
The weekend after Sawyer killed his first
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
2024 is off to a hot start. I can tell you one thing. Dustin, your trumpet did right, son. Dustin give me that trumpet, first one I ever had that anybody gave me or anything, and them turkeys came right in. That fighting purr on Clay's pot calls, so they can't handle it.
What a morning.
What do you think about that camo?
I love this camo.
You think that, you know, that's probably why that turkey didn't see you when he stuck
It probably
his head
was.
up.
It stuck that head up. He wasn't 20 yards out there, 15 maybe. He was right on.
That 12 gauge mashed him.
It did.
Me and you was talking this morning. It's the first turkey I've ever called in for myself, and I called in your first one.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
That was amazing. When they come, they flew down and they quit gobbling at all. It wasn't making, you just sat there being quiet, and then you struck it up, and they was right below us when you did. And then you started, I guess, clucking or what you yelping. And
when they would gobble, I'd yelp a little more excited.
And then you got a little more excited, and man, when they come up, I would look to my right, and there was a squirrel come out through there, and that got me my heart racing, because I thought it was, when I seen movement. And then next thing I know, I seen that head pop up, but there's a pine tree there, and Alex was saying, shoot it, shoot that one, shoot that one. Well, it went behind that pine tree. When he come out,
I actually started to ask you if you had the safety off, because I didn't know if you knew where that tang safety was on that.
I already had it off. When I seen the turkey pop up, safety come off.
Oh, you had it off before he popped up.
I know.
Probably,
Yeah.
That's probably a 10. That bird there's got a rope, and it's got some spurs on it. I bet them spurs are probably 1.25 inches.
Yeah, it's got some good spurs.
Oh, Dad.
What?
A
double beard?
It's a double beard. It sure is.
Well,
is that a single beard?
Yeah, that's single.
Thanks to our old buddy. You know who you are, for letting us come up there and hunt. We appreciate that very much. You've been knowing him since before I was born. Yep.
We met in 1980. Might have been 82. 82.
We ain't got to say your name. We don't want nobody else up there hunting your turkeys. But that was really a special place. We've come back to our home farm here, clean them, do this video. That's why we got biscuits. We didn't stop this morning. We got in there early.
We was in there at 6. We was set. It's about 6:10 set.
Mm-hmm. But yesterday evening, me and you went in there, and we walked out right past these turkeys. You know, we walked out right back underneath them, and that's what was neat. You know, being able to slip out there. And honestly, thought we'd never get in there, but that wind picked up this morning. That helped us being able to slip up through there.
Yeah, but we walked very slow and methodical going in.
But I had a good feeling about this morning that they was gonna gobble, because it was just so, when that wind died. But I want to say we heard 6 turkeys. I think we heard, because they were some way off. These was the ones that was closest.
Yeah.
But
well, you picked the perfect place to set up once we heard where there's gobbling, and then we started to move down.
well, I thought they did exactly what I thought they might do. They picked, you know, I told you we might better set up back there. And I asked you, and I'm glad we set up where we did, because they come right up that ridge. But, you know, I learned something out of that, well, which I already knew. Them turkeys ain't going to do exactly what you want them to do.
Yeah.
I was wanting them to come out that road all nice and pretty and everything.
Yeah, but I tell you, the way they done it was just about perfect.
Oh, you had that ridge edge?
They didn't have no chance to make us out. Or I mean, when they popped them heads up.
And we wasn't skylined either, because we had that rock behind us there. I don't know how good the footage is going to be as far as, you know, we'll put an episode together. We got a good story about it. I don't care we've said all along, this camera stuff is fun, you know, to record and make a memory, but it ain't gonna ruin a hunt. And we wasn't letting it run no hunt, did we?
No.
I just mashed him. But how old are you now, Dad? 59?
59.
First turkey.
First turkey. I've took you for deer hunting, first deer hunt, squirrel hunt, fishing. And this ain't my first turkey hunt. I ain't never been on but twice. Never heard a turkey them 2 times, but this is the
Well,
first.
ever in this morning, you got a good one to start.
Yep.
We was owl hooting last night, and I told you that the first time I ever heard that was old Marvin Poole.
Yeah.
He took me on my first turkey hunt I ever went on. That was, I'm gonna say that was 24 years ago. I wasn't driving. I was 14 or 15, right around there when we went. So 23, 24 years ago.
Me.
Good Easter weekend. Good way to spend it. What's next? What are we gonna hunt next?
Well, alligator. We ain't killed the alligator.
No, I'd take you on your first alligator hunt, I guess. We'll have to go down there.
Rusty, stony bruts, and alligator.
Need to get a tag. Well, what do you think? We go clean them up?
Let's go clean them up and send some pictures out.
We hope you enjoyed this week's episode. The 2024 season is off to a hot start. Y'all come back and see us again when you can, and remember, smile as you go, but don't forget, mouth the memories.